Mel 2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe. Good day, pageant lovers. Another update for Miss Grand International 2025 closed door interview with most voted to win. Our top 7 candidates with most voted to win in the Miss Grand International 2025. And now, kilalanin po natin sila. Una, si Miss Grand Kosovo with 3 votes. Miss Grand Tanzania with 3 votes. Of course, Miss Grand United Kingdom with 5 votes. Next is Miss Grand Indonesia with 6 votes. And of course, we have Miss Grand Ghana with 7 votes. And Miss Grand Philippines with 10 votes. And of course, ang nanguna ay si Miss Grand Thailand with 15 votes. Kaya naman patuloy natin suportahan ang ating kandidata para sa Miss Grand International Finals Night. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutan na mag-subscribe for more updates.